what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to talk about one of my favorite softboxes from CheetahStand, the Cheetah QPB-36. You know that I've been using the CheetahStand softboxes for a very long time, more than 5 years already. And years, CheetahStand kept inventing their softboxes and make them more durable, easier to use, better quality. The very first thing is it comes with the very nice and durable bed that you can carry around like this. So the traditional deep parabolic softboxes usually have about like 16 rocks, and this guy has 18 rocks. So it makes the circle even better and more durable. All right, let me show you how to put it together, and it's only under 1 minute. You only have to put your hand on the rock, on this part of the rock like this, okay? And then pull all the way up. Don't put your hand too close to the lock up here. Put your hand down here, so it's gonna be very easy when you pull it up. Let's go, like this, all right? Just like this. You just pull it up until you hear click from the lock up here. Just keep going. Keep going. So we have 18 rocks. So you're gonna have to do 18 times. There you go. This is a CheetahStand QPB-36. All right, and in here you're gonna see that I already put the beauty disc placed right in the center right here. So the nice thing to use the beauty disc place that the softbox gonna work just like the beauty disc, meaning you don't have the hot spot right in the center of the softbox. So when you want to disassemble it, it's very easy too. Now gonna put your hand close to the lock, all right? With your thumbnail, you push the lock down just like this. You're gonna have to do all of the rock for 18 times. Just in matter of seconds. One of the reasons I really like the new Parabolic softboxes because they put all of the rock outside like this. It's even harder and more durable, and it also keeps inside very clean and nice. All right, and keep in mind that when you order the softbox, you can pick the mouse that actually work with your lights. Like in this case, I use the Godox lights, so I just pick the bow and mouse right here. So the QPB softbox comes with the inner circle diffuser, outer circle diffuser, and then the grid. This is very high quality grid. I really like it. But I'm not gonna use the inner diffuser because I already have the beauty disc placed inside the softbox. Unless that you really want the light quality come out very soft, you can put this guy on. But to me, I'm not gonna use it. I only use the outer diffuser and the grid. Sometimes I use the grid. So this is what it looks like when I put the diffuser on. I actually use this setup the most, especially when I use it for my video, my YouTube video at home. I know that a lot of filmmakers out there been using the aperture light zoom, whatever the name is they call, version 1, version 2, whatever it is. Basically, they are the same with all of the Parabolic softboxes. But the problem is I don't understand why they had to pay more for that kind of softboxes, and they still use the old technique, which is you have to manually put the rock to the whatever the light mount on the back, like the very original version of the Parabolic that I had like about 5 years ago. because of we shoot with on a kind of different setup. So sometimes I use the chopstick system with this softbox. For some of you, if you don't know what is the chopstick system, it's just the name of an inverse line system. Okay, let me show you how to set up the chopstick version 2 with the Cheetah QPB-36. If you want to put the chopstick on the softbox, you have to take off the beauty display first, okay? Very easy and quick. Basically, the chopstick version 2 comes with two parts, the bird cage and the chopstick itself. You don't have to put them together first, okay? Just put it on the side, not yet. There is a couple of different ways that you can put the chopstick on the softbox. You can put it on the stand first, or the way that I like that I just bring the softbox in, put it on like that, lock it, and there you go. All right, and then you can put it on the softbox, on the light stand. Okay, and now you can put the bird cage on right here. All right, you got it. And right here I have the AD400 Pro from Godox. I suggest that you should use some light that not too heavy for the safety, okay? You just put it on just like a regular light. Like usually you set up because it have the same mount. In this case I have the bow and mount for the light, and there you go. All right, very secure right here. All right, let me put it on. Okay. So this is how it works. When the light hit into the back of the softbox, it's gonna bounce back up on the way out here. Very even, no hot spot. But the reason that we use the chopstick, not just that, all right? The reason we use the chopstick that it can focus the light and defocus the light as well. All right, let me show you. I'm gonna go on the back and pull the light back and forth, and you're gonna see the beam of the light over here changing. I'm gonna show you how much the light come out and come in, okay? All right, so in this case, when I pull the light all the way in, all right, when the light come out of the softbox, it's gonna be very, very narrow. But when I pull the light all the way out like this, okay, the light come out of the softbox is gonna be softer, okay, and less contrast. And in this case, you still can put the outer diffuser as well as the grid in the front of the softbox. If you want more detail about this softbox and all of the other softboxes from CheetahStand, you can visit their website at CheetahStand.com. I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below, okay? And now, let me show you some behind the scene video of this softbox being used on my photo shoot and some of the photos from that, okay? Thank you for watching. Enjoy.